Today we will be unboxing the best budget-friendly microphones from Hollyland. I think they are the best for the mobile content. So let's start with the unboxing. We have got Lark A1 from Hollyland and it's got some nice features. The main features are the 24-bit sound. We got the active noise cancellation, equalizer adjustment, an auto limit clip protection. We got a 9-hour long battery life, and then we got the magnetic design, and it's also got a 200-meter transmitter range. So let's see what's inside the box. We have got some paperwork here and the user guide. Next we have got a nice carrying pouch. Then comes the USB-C charging cable. Next we have got two windshields for the microphones, and then this is the USB-C receiver here. For your knowledge, this whole video has been recorded on the same microphone and the audio quality is great. I think these are the transmitters here. You get two transmitters with a charging dock. Each transmitter comes with a battery life up to 9 hours. It's also got a small magnet so that you can mount it on your shirt. You can fix this windshield on your mic this way. It looks really cool. To charge after the usage, just snap it on the charging dock. These might be the best microphones under $30 for you. For setup, there's no setup. Just plug in the receiver in your phone and they will be automatically connected. Now is the time to test them. Lark A1 microphone has got a magnetic setup and you can easily fix it on your clothes you are wearing, and very easy to use. The noise cancellation for this video is off, so you can clearly hear the disturbance in the background of the video. I'm just pressing this button here to turn on the noise cancellation. The light here will turn green. You can clearly see the difference in the audio. The disturbance in the video has gone away. It has also got some additional features. If you click the button once, it would turn on the noise cancellation. You can press the button 2 times to mute and unmute the audio. Clicking the button 3 times would stop recording. Thanks for watching the Unbox Matrix. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.